Welcome to AI Tech Beat, a channel dedicated to bringing you the best products, devices, tools, and gadgets that add ambience and comfort to your life with ease. Parents everywhere are raving about AI-based learning kits for kids. These innovative educational tools are transforming the way children learn, making it more engaging, personalized, and fun. But what exactly makes them so special? Stick around as we explore why these kits are the future of education. AI-powered learning kits are the latest trend in interactive education, and for good reason. They blend artificial intelligence with hands-on learning, keeping kids engaged while developing critical skills like problem-solving, creativity, and cognitive thinking. Key features of AI-based learning kits include personalized learning that adapts to your child's learning pace, engaging content like games, quizzes, and hands-on activities, immediate feedback to help kids correct mistakes on the spot, multimedia learning using animations, videos, and sounds, and parental involvement to easily track your child's progress. Parents love these kits because they make learning both fun and effective. Traditional learning can sometimes feel dull, but these kits turn lessons into exciting adventures. Whether it's coding, math, science, or art, there's something for every child. One of the biggest advantages of AI learning kits is personalization. Unlike traditional learning methods, these kits adjust to your child's abilities, making learning more effective and enjoyable. These kits aren't just about memorizing facts, they teach kids how to think. Through problem-solving challenges, kids learn to analyze situations, find creative solutions, and think logically. Let's be honest, kids love games. That's why these kits use gamification to keep them engaged. With rewards, levels, and challenges, kids stay motivated to learn. It's not just about academics. Many AI-powered kits encourage teamwork and social skills by allowing kids to collaborate on projects, communicate ideas, and learn together. AI learning kits are designed for all children, including those with special needs. Features like multilingual support and adaptive interfaces make learning accessible for everyone. Many AI kits include apps for parents to track their child's progress, set goals, and even participate in activities. This makes learning a shared experience between parents and kids. Looking for the perfect AI learning kit? Here are some of the top-rated options available on Amazon USA. The future of education is here. AI-based learning kits are just the beginning. As technology advances, we'll see even smarter learning tools that evolve alongside children, making education more interactive and effective than ever. So, are you ready to give your child the best learning experience? Explore AI-based learning kits today and watch them thrive in a fun, interactive, and personalized learning environment.